Hello everyone, for this recipe you need vegetable oil, you also need some salt to taste, you also need some garlic granules, onion granules, ground ginger, you also need all-purpose seasoning, of course chicken seasoning, some hot curry powder and some extra hot chili powder. Preheat your oven at 190 degrees Celsius, then add half a tablespoon of salt to the chicken, half a tablespoon of garlic granules, half a tablespoon of ground ginger to the chicken. Then you need to add half a tablespoon of onion granules, and then you need to add half a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, then half a tablespoon of chicken seasoning. You also need to add half a tablespoon of hot curry powder and half a tablespoon of extra hot chili powder. Then you need to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, wash your hands and mix the chicken wings with all the spices. When you finish mixing it, set it aside for about 5 minutes until you get your baking tray ready. Now place the chicken wings on your baking tray, and as you can see we've covered it with foil, but if you want to use baking paper, please use it. You don't have to use foil, okay? It's just our preference. Now our chicken wings and drumstick are ready, and we are going to put it in the middle of our rack to bake for about 30 minutes to begin with. And here is our healthy chicken wings and drumstick after 30 minutes in the oven. Now you might want to turn them over so that the other side bakes well. You can do it with your hands like Mr. Dre. I think it doesn't burn him, or with kitchen tongs. And this is it. So now it is going back for another 20 minutes in the oven. And here it is, our spicy, soft, oven baked chicken wings and chicken drumstick. Okay my friends, we hope you enjoy watching this quick video, an easy video. It is very tasty, so you really need to try it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.